So, can you still make money selling on eBay? Find out next. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm talking about eBay. I still see selling on eBay, making money on eBay is still a popular topic. So I wanted to throw my little 2 cents in again. Now, I'm not a big eBay seller or really buyer anymore. I used to years ago, probably like 10 years ago. I was selling pretty decent on eBay, but they changed so many rules and this and that, this and that. So I kind of haven't been doing it a lot. I have sold a couple things here and there, and so I'm still familiar with eBay and kind of what's going on over there. But I do want to share that you can still make money selling things on eBay. I know I did a video in the past about be aware about certain buyers because there are scammers on eBay, especially those who are trying to sell like expensive jewelry or um, expensive stuff. You get like fake buyers, and it is a mess. You do have to be a little more cautious this day and age when it comes to like eBay and really any of these online platforms, but especially eBay. Like I said, I did a video talking about what to look for as a new eBay seller and everything like that. But I recently, more positive news, I had something on eBay listed for sale. Now eBay has this feature where if you list something for sale and it doesn't sell, you can actually just keep it on there and it actually renews. I'm dropping stuff. It actually renews automatically, right? So I had this bracelet. It's a stainless steel bracelet. You can see, boom, right there. Okay, stainless steel bracelet. I actually listed this several months ago, a long time ago, in my opinion, to the point where I actually forgot. I actually, I actually had it listed because it didn't sell, so I forgot all about it. I'm like, it is what it is. But I got an email yesterday. Basically, someone put a offer in on it, and I accepted it. And now I already got paid for it. If I remember, I'll put like a little screen somewhere, maybe over here, a little screenshot, whatever. Quick $30 for something that I had this forever. Don't wear it, don't use it, whatever. Quick $30. Already got paid for it. I'm going to actually ship it out today. So there you have it. Little easy money, extra money, something I don't use. Now, I will say this for a lot of people, they comment on my videos, they ask me about eBay and how to make sure if it's legit or not. A little tip, anytime you're about to buy or even ship out to somebody, hey, make sure you get paid. It's very simple. Make sure you get paid. Check your account. eBay will let you know that you got paid, that you received money. Second of all, look at the buyer as well as the seller when you're on eBay. Look at their profile. See if they made several purchases in the past. Check to see their feedback because you can leave feedback for buyers and sellers. I know for sellers, and I'm pretty sure buyers too. You can leave feedback. So that's what you need to do, guys. Yes, there are some little shiesty people out there, but you can kind of get around that if you do, take the extra step to, do your own little bit of extra research on who you buying and who you selling from, and it will help you out in the long run. So, guys, if you are trying to get started with eBay, don't hesitate. You can make money, with it. Start by just finding things around your house that maybe you don't want, you don't use, clothes you don't wear, toys your kids don't play with, whatever, because most things you can list on eBay, guys. So that's my take on it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully you can see that yes, you can make money on eBay still. Alright, so if you like this video, please give it that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because you see I'll always be bringing that content. Alright, so till the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work
whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the third question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.